What's up guys, my name is Mair. So today I'm sharing the best tilapia fish on the grill. So it's gonna be a charcoal grill and it's gonna be best tilapia fish fillets on the charcoal grill. Here I am outside right next to a beautiful dam lake, and here guys I have made the charcoal grill. I have the tilapia fish. So first of all we will take the fish out of the packet. So tilapia fish is the most famous fish around the world. People love to eat the tilapia. So I'll be sharing 3 beautiful fillets. So these are the 3 beautiful fillets of the tilapia. So we will take a Ziploc bag. It's kind of windy here, and we will add these tilapia fishes in the bag. So here it goes, the pieces. Now we will season these guys. So here I have the lemon. First we will slice the lemon, and we will take our Ziploc bag, squeeze a half lemon right in there, add some garlic powder, add some paprika and some table salt, add some chili flakes, and now guys just lock the Ziploc bag. This is very simple, easy and full of flavor recipe, and try to just mix the whole ingredients in there. Now we will rest these guys to be marinated at least for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we will be using our fish grill, and we will place it right on our charcoal, the stone grill. It's a windy day and we are right in the middle of March. So March is like in DC, the Washington DC, the March is like, it's like we are just getting into the spring. So soon, if you guys see the trees right in front of me, these all trees, they all gonna go green in next month or so. So our coals are ready, and now we will put the fish in our fish grill, and then we will place that grill on our charcoal stone grill. This is our fish grill. We will take our tilapia pieces and we will place it right in there. Just like that. And here guys, slice it thin lemon and put it right in the middle. So this lemon will give the lemon touch to the fish perfectly. Okay, so we will close our grill like that. It should be all the way closed so it doesn't move. And we will take some butter oil spray and we will spray right on top. Turn it. Alright, so it has the butter right on top. Now take the fish, we will place it right on top of our charcoals. So as you guys can see, I have kept a lot of space between the coals and from where the grill is. It's just because I don't want my fish to be burnt. So with the slow cooking, we will leave the fish on one side at least for 6 minutes. been 5 minutes and I will flip the fish. Okay. Yum. So now you have to flip the fish after every other minute or so. Whoa, it's hot. And here you go. It really depends on the heat, but for me it's 5 minutes each side. The maximum is 8 minutes each side if you have a high flame, but I'm doing it on the low flame, so I'm doing it for 5 minutes each side. So this piece is a little bit thick on the side, so I'm flipping it and putting right closer, a little bit closer, and we'll spray a little bit more. Friends, so as you can see, it looks perfectly done. I mean, if you guys really want to make sure, just touch the fish and it will start break apart by itself. So for now we will just put it right on the side, just right there, and we will release the grill. So here we will pick up our pieces and just slide it right on the side. Whoa. So soft. Serve it with some chopped salad, and this is kale salad I'm using. Adding some salad dressing right on top. The best tilapia fillets grilled on the charcoal. So it's time to taste the first piece, guys. Yum. It's so soft and crunchy on that side. So here goes the first bite. The crunchy part is awesome. So here goes the fish. Amazing. It has the lemon, it has the paprika, the garlic, and the charcoal, beautiful flavor. And it goes really well with the salad. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye for now.